408 inches, 6-speed. So we're mini tubbing it, doing all the, put a cage in it. Gonna make it like just a dirty street car. I ain't gonna try to make it too pretty, but kind of maybe a satin finish with some graphics or something on it. Forged line wheels. Should be pretty tough. About 650 horsepower or something like that.
Sitting down low and mean.
Yeah, all the scoops, everything's shaped like molded in. So no bumpers. The front bumper's gone. Trans Am, which I think they only made about 1,500 of these cars, but the original motor's long gone, so that's why I really don't care if we go factory or, you know, just go pro touring with it and make what we want out of it. So it should be pretty cool.